date's the 6th of July 2022. We have Tammitie, Finland. You have to press properly. The Lithuanian wines take his speaker in Munkkiniemi, Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland, Finland, with Samfors. Like West Days 3 persons at 25 grams with MP4 fixtures, no indoors. Built in 1959, they turned 60 years old in 2019. Let's take 2 rides here because of the battery. I have to save it. This number is 8387. That's going to be expected. Let's share 2023. The interior has been renewed here, and out of the doors, only the door on floor 1 has been renewed. I mean the surfaces. Same thing on the floppy also.
Spektiitpaakin vain, kun me teet passilla.
Looks like this door handle is like an B6 elevator, so this might have been finished in late 1959 maybe.
Yeah.
And also doors B and 1 had been used mostly, so that's why the surfaces there were renewed. I was trying to drag it out, like you can drag it out.
Yeah.
5 for example, like that. Yeah, it looks like that. It's dragged out, but it can be like this. So it's the same as others. So thank you very much. And that's it.
That's